Are you ready to take your quilt from unfinished to fabulous? Binding is the final touch that transforms your project. It frames your quilt and adds the perfect finish. Today, we'll explore 3 unique binding methods you can use. First up, we have straight grain binding. This classic choice is dependable and neat. It's ideal for quilts that feature gentle curves or straight edges. To make it, cut your fabric strips along the width, join them end to end, and fold into a sturdy double-fold ribbon. This method lays flat and gives a crisp, traditional finish. If your quilt has long, straight borders, straight grain feels just right. Next, let's dive into bias binding. This method adds a touch of elegance and flexibility. Cut at a 45-degree angle, these strips can easily wrap around curves. Whether your quilt has rounded corners or whimsical shapes, bias binding glides smoothly, making it a beautiful option for quilts with personality. Finally, we have invisible binding. This technique is perfect for a modern finish. Instead of showing off a visible frame, you tuck the edges under and stitch them so they blend in with the quilt. This creates a seamless look, allowing your piecing or applique work to shine without distraction. No matter which binding you choose, each method honors the hard work you've put into your quilt. It's more than just a finish, it's a celebration of your creativity. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly quilting tutorials. Check out our playlist for more helpful tips and techniques.